everyone, and welcome back to NB English Studio, the place where learning English feels simple, friendly, and fun. I'm Hira.
And I'm Alex. Hello here, and hello to all our amazing listeners from around the world. It's great to be with you again.
It really is. You look very cheerful today, Alex. That's a big smile you've got.
I am cheerful. I had such a fun morning today.
Oh, a fun morning? Now I'm curious. Tell me everything.
Well, I finally did something I wanted to do for months. I bought a new bicycle.
A bicycle? No way! That is fantastic news, Alex.
I know, I'm so excited. I can't wait to ride it this weekend.
What does it look like?
It's bright red, super red. I feel like I will go very fast.
A fast, shiny red bicycle? That sounds amazing. And what about me? I'm good too. I've got my big cup of tea.
And I've got my coffee. That means we are officially ready to chat.
We definitely are. But wait, before we begin.
Yes, good reminder. Everyone listening, welcome. We're so happy you're spending time with us today.
And if you enjoy our conversations, please hit the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to MB English Studio so you never miss a new episode.
And share this video with your friends who are learning English. They might enjoy the stories too.
Thank you so much. Okay, Hira, I have a funny story today.
Oh, you know I love a good story. Is it about the new bicycle?
Surprisingly, no. This one is from work.
From work. Interesting. Is this a good story or a disaster story?
A hilarious disaster story.
Perfect. Tell me everything.
So yesterday at my office, it was Pet Day.
Pet Day? What is Pet Day?
It's a day when people bring their pets to work.
No. That sounds like a terrible idea.
Oh, trust me, it was absolute chaos.
I knew it. Go on.
So my boss, Mr. Campbell, the very serious boss?
Oh, yes, the never smiles guy.
Yes. Well, he brings his pet dog, a tiny little white dog.
Oh, that's cute.
It gets better. My coworker Sarah, the super quiet, shy one, she brings her cat.
Oh, dear.
A big orange cat.
Let me guess. His name is Garfield.
Yes, exactly.
Of course. There is no other name for a fat orange cat.
So the office is peaceful. Everything is calm until Garfield sees the tiny white dog.
Uh-oh.
The dog starts barking. Yep, 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 yep.
Oh, no.
Garfield jumps directly onto, guess whose desk?
Don't say it. Don't say it.
Mr. Campbell's desk.
No way.
Yes way. And guess what's on Mr. Campbell's desk?
Coffee?
His large cup of hot coffee. Garfield lands right next to it and boom, coffee everywhere.
Not on the important report?
All over it, completely soaked.
Was he angry?
He wasn't even angry, just shocked. He stood there and said, "Oh my, oh my."
That makes it even funnier. Then the cat panics and runs.
The dog panics and chases the cat.
It's madness! What a disaster!
And then my coworker Tom enters the story.
Funny Tom?
Yes, he brought a pet too.
A dog? A cat?
A fish.
A fish? To the office?
Yes, in a small bowl on his desk.
That actually seems safe.
No, because Garfield, the orange menace, sees the fish.
Oh no.
Garfield jumps on Tom's desk. Tom grabs the bowl and screams, "No, Garfield, this is Swimmy!"
Swimmy? Oh my goodness.
So imagine this, a barking dog, a panicked cat, spilled coffee everywhere, and Tom running across the office holding a fish bowl.
That is the best work story ever.
I think Pet Day is canceled forever.
I agree.
What about you, Hira? How's your week?
Mine is quieter. I'm not working in an office, I'm studying.
That's right. You joined a class, didn't you?
Yes, a cooking class.
Wow, that's awesome.
It sounds awesome, but Alex, I am a terrible cook.
No, you're not. Come on.
I am. Listen, last night we learned to make homemade pasta.
I love pasta.
Eating it is easy. Making it is not.
True.
We made the dough, flour, eggs, water, and we had to roll it forever. My arms felt like I had gone to the gym.
A pasta workout.
Exactly. Then the teacher, Rosa, she's very sweet, says, Hira, your pasta is ready. Put it in the hot water.
Simple.
I put it in, and guess what happened?
What?
All the pasta stuck together. One giant, heavy pasta ball.
No way.
Yes! One big, sticky, white pasta planet!
Oh, no.
So Rosa looked at it and said, interesting.
That means oh no in cooking language.
I know! So I tried to lift the pasta ball with a spoon,
Yeah?
and it slipped.
Slipped.
It flew out of the pot
No.
and hit the wall.
The wall?
Yes, it stuck to the wall like glue.
No.
The whole class stopped. Everyone stared. My face was red like a tomato.
A tomato for your pasta.
Exactly. Rosa stared, then burst out laughing. She said, well, that is a new style of cooking.
That is hilarious.
So yes, I'm a terrible cook, but the class is fun. Speaking of fun, how's your family?
They're great. I visited my parents last weekend.
Oh, that's nice.
My dad. Oh, my dad is something else.
Why? What did he do?
He bought a new smartphone.
Uh-oh.
Exactly. For him, smartphones are a mystery.
I can't imagine.
On Sunday, he tried to call me, and instead he called a pizza place.
What?
So I get a call from a random number. I answer, and a man says, "Hello, would you like to order a large pizza?"
No.
My dad thought he was calling me. He told the pizza guy, "No, I want to talk to Alex."
That is adorable.
And then the camera. He doesn't understand selfies. He wants to take a picture of me, but he always takes pictures of himself.
Oh, man.
I have like 20 close-up pictures. His nose, his ear, half his forehead.
Oh, man.
He thinks the phone is broken. He says, "Alex, this phone doesn't work. I can only see my ear."
I'm crying.
I tried to teach him. I said, "Dad, press this button." He pressed it and started recording a 5-minute video of his ear.
A video of his ear.
Yes, just his ear moving slightly while he says, "Why is it red? This phone is silly."
Alex, you must save that video forever.
Oh, I did. It's my favorite. And your family, everything okay?
They're good, but I have a story about my friend Maria.
Ah, yes, your friend from class.
She bought a new car,
Nice.
but Alex, it is bright, hot pink.
Hot pink, like super pink?
Yes, and the car is tiny. It looks like a toy.
I love it already.
Yesterday, she took me for a ride. We stop at a red light, and a giant truck stops next to us.
Oh, no.
The truck driver, big beard, huge man, looks down at our tiny pink car and smiles.
Cute.
Maria waves at him and presses the horn.
And the horn says,
Meep, meep.
"No way."
The smallest, funniest sound ever. I laughed so hard I cried. Even the truck driver was laughing.
That is the perfect car.
Maria calls it her happy car.
I love that.
Wow, Alex, look at the time.
Time flies when we're laughing.
It really does. Today we talked about chaotic pets, flying pasta, smartphone disasters, and meep meep cars.
This was such a fun episode.
I feel so happy now.
Me too. And thank you to everyone listening.
We're always so happy you join us.
If you enjoyed today's stories, don't forget to like the video,
Subscribe to NB English Studio.
and share the episode with your friends who are learning English.
And we have a question for you.
Yes. Tell us in the comments, what is a funny story from your work, family, or friends?
We love reading your stories.
It's truly the best part of our week.
See you next time, Alex.
Bye, Hira. Bye, everyone.